Let's see what kind of activity we have. This hive here is a little slow. She's in the shade. This is just 5 frame. This hive, I'm concerned, is queenless. I left the entrance reducer out. Should probably put a mouse guard on that. Here's the next 10 frame. I gave them their shim entrances and the upper entrance because it's supposed to be hot this week, so I want that upper vent. Let's see what activity we have here. Hey, one went in. Ah! Get out of here! Jesus! That was a baby deer. Look at that. Look at that. What are you doing? Get out of that brush. That's a baby deer. I walked up on it somehow. Okay. This hive here looks good. This is storage. This I'm splitting the yard. There's 6 and 6 basically. That hive looks like good activity. Good activity there. Good activity there. Good activity there. That's storage. Extra good activity there. This is the last hive. Very good activity there. Only 2 I'm concerned about.